Welcome to another Apps Minute. Our applications department here in the factory gets a lot of phone calls asking if we have solid models available. People use them for shop layout, fixture design, even simulation and collision avoidance. Because of the high demand, we've made it simple. On the product detail page, or PDP for short, for every machine, we've included a link so anybody can download it. So let's say you just bought a VF2 and you want a model. Here's a quick navigation trick for you. Use the search feature. The first selection is usually the product detail page, and that's exactly what we're looking for. Just below the overview, you'll find 3D model. And by the way, if you need a 2D layout drawing, machine installation info, owner's manual, or a guide for what rotaries fit your machine, it's all right here. So let's click on 3D model, and when you open the file, you'll see several folders and a PDF that explain the different file names. Now in this case, you have both STL and XT files with _U and _S choices. The U is for an umbrella or carousel tool changer, and the S is for a side mount tool changer. Now STL files are usually used in CAM systems. If you need a model for this purpose, download this one. XT files are used in CAD systems. In this example, we have a VF2 with a side mount tool changer, and I want to import it into SolidWorks so I can do some shop layout. Just double click this folder, double click XT file, and follow along with the SolidWorks prompts. Click assembly, click part, and there you have it. That quickly, you have your solid model. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on another Apps Minute.